In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to buy domain and hosting for your website or your business. Just follow this easy and step-by-step guide to purchase your own domain and hosting. First of all, you have to open browser and then you have to open this website namecheap.com. So we are going to purchase domain and hosting from Namecheap company. So come to this Namecheap website and all you have to need, sign up here. Once you successfully created your account in this Namecheap website, now first of all let's purchase a domain. So in this menu section, just click on domains and now click on the search domain box and now search for the domain that you want to purchase. And now we have to search the domain. So click on search and as you can see, this domain name is available. So search for a domain name that is not purchased yet. So as you can see, this domain is available. So all you have to need, just click on add to cart. And here as you can see, the domain has been successfully added into my Namecheap card. And now let's go to hosting section and here scroll down and here we can see under choose your hosting plans, here we can see total 6 plans are available. One is shared hosting, reseller hosting, WordPress hosting, email hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated server. So all you have to need, go ahead and click on the hosting plan that you want to purchase. So right now I'm going to selecting the shared hosting. So clicking on shared hosting and here you can change hosting server location and here you can change hosting billing cycle. So I'm selecting here yearly and here we can see 3 different packages. One is Stellar Plus and Stellar Business. We are going to select this Stellar and here we can see domain name, 3 websites, 20 GB SSD, 30 mailboxes, website builder. So just click on get started to purchase the specific hosting and connect to, you can select a new domain to connect with the hosting, or if you have a domain already, you can connect the domain with this hosting by clicking here. And here I'm selecting already in my card. So I've already added my domain in my Namecheap card, right? So in this domain name selection box, select the exact domain that you want to connect with the hosting. And here we can see billing cycle 1 year. And now here we can see the total amount for my domain and for my hosting. So this cost is for my domain and this cost is my for hosting. Now just click on add to cart and now from here you will be able to enable auto renew for domain. Also you can enable auto renew for Stellar. So I'm going to disable auto renew for both domain and hosting. And here we can see domain privacy is totally free. So here now all you have to need, just click on confirm order, or you can add a promo code to get a little bit discount. So just click on confirm order and here select your payment method. Here's I'm selecting card and here's I've already added my Pioneer card. You can purchase with your PayPal also. You can also select account funds. Once you've successfully entered your card details or your payment details, now just click on continue. Once you are in this page, scroll down all the way to the bottom and here you have to check this box, I read and agree to all Namecheap's terms of service and agreements. Now just click on pay now. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully purchased domain and hosting from Namecheap. And now to see all of your purchased domains and hosting, hover over on your username and just click on dashboard. to go to your Namecheap account dashboard. Here click on domain list, and here you will find all of your purchased domains. And to see your hosting, go to hosting section, and here you will find all of your purchased hostings. And now if you want to go to your hosting cPanel, you can just click on go to cPanel, and that's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.